So Daniel's life is in danger. May God whom you serve rescue you, said the king to Daniel. He knows that Daniel's God is powerful, so he can save Daniel. Wow. As soon as the sun came up, the king got out of bed and hurried to the lion's den. Whoa, that's very scary. Imagine lions who are very hungry. They starved the lions for days. Daniel, the king, called out, fearing there would be no reply. Did your God rescue you from the lions? Daniel shouted back, "O king, my God sent his angels to shut the lions' mouths, because in God's eyes I am innocent." So what did God do to the lion? He shut the mouth of the lions so that they can't eat Daniel like this. The king was overjoyed and ordered that the man who falsely accused Daniel be punished. Then he wrote a new law everywhere in my kingdom. It said, people must honor and respect Daniel's God. This God does wonders in heaven and earth. Yes, he even saved Daniel from the powerful lions. Wow, that's the end of our story. What did you learn from our story? We should trust God in whatever situations we are facing. Is that right, Gina? Oh, thank you, Daddy and Mommy, for that great story. Let's pray, Gino. Let's pray na. Pray na. Ha? Hi. Opo. Anong gusto mo pa? Sabihin mo, hello. Hello.